DJI Avata is the most fun and exciting drone from the company, which is mainly for racing and aerial cinematography. It has a better camera and an enhanced ability to ensure an immersive flying experience, but recently, iFlight came up with something new that exactly looks like the DJI Avata with DJI O3 Air unit on board, and they named it Defender 25. This is actually a successor of the ProTech series. Even though the Defender 25 looks like the DJI Avata, can it beat Avata's performance? Let's find out by comparing them. Design-wise, the DJI Avata and the iFlight Defender 25 both look almost similar, and there are no folding arms equipping the propeller and the protective rings. Both drones have been made to handle a few distractions without unexpected disassembly. Both drones even boast optimized landing gear for takeoff in complex environments. Also, both iFlight Defender 25 and DJI Avata are lightweight, but the 249 grams Defender 25 is much lighter than the 410 grams DJI Avata, so Defender 25 does not require registration in most countries. Besides, the quick-release battery design on both drones makes everything as easy as it can be. You can even replace the battery when it's on low power, allowing you to get more flight time. Here, we should give credit to the iFlight for keeping the weight under 250 grams even while maintaining the same design as the DJI Avata. Equipped with the latest tech from DJI, the O3 Air unit, the Defender 25 can ensure an HD transmission system. The Defender 25 can record 4K videos at 60 FPS with up to 155° super wide FOV, letting you get stunning visuals from every possible angle. On the other hand, the DJI Avata is equipped with a 1x1.7-inch CMOS sensor, which is capable of capturing 4K videos at 60 FPS. The Avata also has 48 megapixels, which deliver detailed and colorful images. Again, if you need to reach 120 FPS, all you have to do is drop the shooting quality down to 2.7K or 1080p. In addition, both drones feature D-Cinema-like color mode to deliver more creative freedom for color grading and editing. Furthermore, for smooth footage, the Defender 25 adds a special vibration-dumped camera mount. It also ensures great gyro data for built-in camera stabilization, whereas the DJI Avata comes with Rock Steady and Horizon Steady to create stable footage. Plus, both drones feature turtle mode, so if your drones get crashed, with just a few simple taps they will spring back into action. Good thing is, you can mount action cameras like the Naked GoPro and Insta360 on the Defender 25. Overall, we can say both drones have the same camera quality and stability. As for the safety features, the DJI Avata has downward binocular vision and TOF infrared sensor. With these sensors, the Avata can detect obstacles below and allows you to perform low altitude or indoor flights. In terms of transmission, both drones ensure up to 10 km transmission range with a 1080p live feed. Moreover, the Defender 25 and DJI Avata are compatible with multiple remote control devices that each unlock different possibilities. They're even compatible with both DJI Goggles 2 and DJI FPV Goggles V2 to let you experience an immersive flight experience. Let's talk about the battery life. So the DJI Avata has up to 18 minutes of flight time to capture stunning photos and videos, whereas the Defender 25 comes with a 500 mAh battery that delivers up to 6 minutes of flight time. Compared to the DJI Avata, the Defender 25 has obviously a much lower battery life. As for the price, the Defender 25 is available at $540, whereas the DJI Avata will cost you $629. Here, due to the lack of enough battery life and an obstacle avoidance sensor, we think the Defender 25 should have come up with a much lower price tag. In short, the iFlight Defender 25 and DJI Avata look almost similar. They even sport almost similar features, but the Defender 25 lacks some important features like obstacle avoidance sensors and improved battery life. The advantage Defender 25 got is it weighs below 250 grams. Another thing is, no matter what you say, DJI got its own reliability, so you have to choose wisely even if they boast similar features. Well, that's all for today, and as always, thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find this to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.